Okay, whoever comments in my channel, I will draw them in this paper. So, yeah, for real. Like, for real. So, let me wait. Who comment in my Hi Dad's Car trailer? Yeah, no one. It's supposed to be commenting. Okay. Who comment on my cat video? Like this. That was my headset. Like that was my headset. This was it. This was it. This was it. This is the one that I was wearing. And I was wearing the last. And I don't know where did it go. Like, I don't know. Okay, on the next videos, let's see if you commented on that video. Like my phone is lagging, it's freezing. Yeah. It's like freezing. On my next video, I will be showing you how to make your Android phone look like an iPhone. I hope you don't miss the other videos, because if I post something new on my phone, like my newest tablet, like the Samsung one, my older grandma's going to send me she works in an airplane, like delivering packages to me, because she's going to buy me a Lucky Box. By the way, go to luckybox.com and then she's going to send me a Samsung like tablet like that. So I hope you don't miss that video next time. It will be posted on whatever day she's going to arrive. Like, yeah, I have a lot of drawings here because, like, I want to be like a YouTuber like that. Who comment on my simulacra video? It got 19 views. Like, whoever comments. Did I disable comment? Did I disable comment on this video? Sorry for that. Okay.
Sometimes I wish.
Okay, there's a lot of video. Yeah, this internet sucks. Like, the internet is broken. No. Finally. No. Like, it's so long to load. Oh, it got 1 like. Okay, let's go continue. Why do nobody always comments on my videos? Bro. By the way, I posted in her videos, like I played Simulacra Pipe Dreams. It's free. Like, I cannot buy the Simulacra that you need to save Anna. Like that. I cannot install it because I don't have enough money. Subscribe until we hit 3 million subscribers. See? Okay, let's go on the next video. Look at this song. Wait, okay, wait. Let's go do it right now, wait. Bro, why is it? Yeah, my phone is lagging. Like my phone is broken. Like, let me make that song again. Just wait for it. It will be nice. Zarbamba. Modern. Stop. I hate ads.
This is a burger. And here's one from Food Panda with 100 pesos off. Now that tastes like a good deal.
Like this is my own room.
Use
Here
code
it is.
PANDA100 and enjoy 100 pesos off. When did you have the baby?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, Zarbamba. 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 First one. Okay. Now, boom, boom, boom.
No trip to Hong Kong is complete without some roasted meats. Let's check out these three
Wow,
spots.
wop, wop, wop.
There's a cool little spot with a little see. Here, you can't miss the tassi with the chicken over noodle soup. The light silky noodles help balance out the richness of the meat perfectly. And don't forget to try some of this seafood.
Warning.
Top notch. To help fight off the food
Click to
coma,
move.
we got some dongling
Okay,
tang,
click to move.
iced lemon tea, and wash
Okay,
it
okay,
down.
warning.
Cigar.
It
Next, we
gives
split
me a
across
warning.
town to Bulgari Barbecue Restaurant.
Let's go
Especially
start
our
with this
recommendation
first.
has been served in the neighborhood for over 40 years. Signing up. They got little fans lining up at the door every morning before opening. So get here early because the roast pork and goose can't run out by the afternoon. Try any of the meats with some noodle soup, and why not get a few extra servings of ginger scallion sauce. Last spot, we hit up Holy Food Central for dinner. Holy Food, which means good fortune for your mouth, is all about emptying it up. The Cantonese basically. So much fun. From the fortune cookie statue outside to the cow on the inside.
I hate.
Kitchen is bustling with energy. The creative Cantonese cookie packs bold, distinctive flavors and all day. After all that, it's a good idea
Hey,
to walk back to the hotel. to
like,
these
I don't know who is in my subscribers,
is complete.
so I cannot see enough comments because I have a lot of videos and like I don't have my dad's phone right now. I don't have YT Studio on my phone like that. Okay, so I was like starting with my first video was starting with like 2023 till to 2024 to 2025. Like let's just show you how to rush paper to okay, so let's just do this one next time. Let's just show you how to turn your Android phone to an iPhone. First stop, go to Play Store. Play Store app. See, then go to search bar. Then search all of these. And then if you get these all apps like this, open it and enable accessibility. It will you will need to go to accessibility and then install apps, then press all this on, and if you saw the message, press allow or Denny. If you don't like it to be on your device, press Denny, and if you like it to be in your device, press allow. Okay, so and to install these widgets, you need just to go to color widgets and you press any widget, so you can add them on your home screen. So then go to your thumbs and then search for iPhone icons, and then if you see iPhone icons and iStyle on Samsung and everything that looks like iPhones means the same, press it, and that's how to turn your phone into an Android phone into an iPhone. It's pretty easy, huh? And then swipe up to open this. Okay. And then you lock your device, and this is your no lock screen. See, this is your no lock screen. Okay, I will show you my password. If you unlock this, I will comment on every of your videos. Okay. Guess my birthday. 0904 comes with an 2018. Okay. 0. I will give you in hit. 08. Okay. If you guess it, I will comment on every of your videos. By the way, I'm starting with a lot of channels right now. I'm starting with Kinobina, and I was banned from 2024 because I was not older enough. Like, look at me, I'm older now. See, I'm 6 years old. Like, last time I was 5 and 4. Like, we went on vacation when I was 4 and 5. It was the best day ever. Like, and the Christmas day was the best day ever. Like, they give me a lot of surprises. Like, I have a lot of toys now. I have a spy. I have like this thing. I don't know what's it called. Then, like, now today, like, everyone, like, always bullies me. Like, everyone knows bullies me. Like, my classmates, my family, like, my 2 families are always bullies me, and my 2 friends always bullies me. Like, I don't know why is my friends and family like that. Like, they not even thinking about how bad is that. Okay, so now let's go. Yeah. You know, let's go switch to my Game Boy. Okay. Yeah. Where is it? There it goes. Oh. Ah. Okay. Can also buy this at Shopee.com. Oh, why is it playing by itself? It's broken. I'm not even playing it. Yeah. It's broken. It also comes with a TV cable and then maybe a charger and then finally cable. The soft cream. Soft cream. This is my Oh. My calculator just fall. Let me just fix it or do. This is my new keyboard, Dell. My family gave me the bully one. He gave me this keyboard. And my dad gave me this broken mouse. And that is the sound. And it's so comfy. Now, and look at the sound of this mouse. See? And this keyboard is so trash. Why is it shaking? Maybe it's the wire. And my phone always causes me batteries and always lagging. And this tablet always broke. Always low at battery. Always carry of low battery. Like just my phone. So that's why I was getting a new tablet. Like
that's when I discovered King's Edge Effervescent Sports Drink.
you know the song. It's birds of a feather, we should stick together, and that's my favorite song. And this is my favorite song to teach. So okay, okay, I'm looking for something. Yeah. I have this super old speaker because like the tie just broke because my mom when she was getting it on the cabinet he dropped it on the floor and the voice just broke.
Power on.
Like today it's fixed now. Like I don't know how. Like I didn't even go to the repair shop. I only repaired my tablet. This Xiaomi one because the charger port won't work. Like the charger port is broken. Like just like my other phone. Like looks like just my this one. This is the new one because that one is like the happened to this tablet, like the charger port, when I charge it, because it won't charge, like I don't know how. By the way, my phone is powered by Metro, and this tablet is powered by Adobe, and this is powered by ProMate Regular, and this is powered by P47MZ, and this is Dell, and this is HP, and this is Carson, and this is Romos, let me tell, and this is Supreme, and this is Samsung, and this is Xiaomi, and there's a lot of electronics here. I don't know why. So my bully wants to ban me on TikTok. Help me to get revenge. So TikTok can ban her. She always bullies me. Like, her name is Piela, and the second one is Darchi, and okay. And by the way, I'm starting at Instagram and TikTok and Snapchat and Messenger and Facebook and YouTube at my phone. Make sure you follow at Kiv 8.7 Kiv 8783 and Kiv on Facebook and Snapchat on Kiv on Snapchat and Jola on YouTube. Make sure I'm starting at that.